In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make beats on BandLab. We'll walk through the essentials from opening the site to laying down drums and adding instruments so you can leave with a simple, polished loop. Open your browser and head to bandlab.com. BandLab runs entirely online, which means there's nothing to download and it works on most computers. Once the page loads, click Login so you can access your projects and save your work as you go. From the home view, click Library. This is your hub for everything you've made. Choose an existing project if you want to continue something you started, or create a new one to begin fresh. When your project opens, click Studio to launch the workspace where the music actually happens. Inside Studio, click Add Track. This is where you decide what you're adding first. You can start with virtual instruments for melodic parts, or pick the drum machine to build your beat foundation. Either way, you'll see an instrument and kit selector. Click that to browse sounds. For drums, scroll through kits until one matches your vibe. For instruments, choose from keys, bass, synths, and more. With your sounds ready, use the drum pads to tap in patterns live or switch to the grid to place notes precisely. A simple approach works great. Set your kick on the first beat, add a snare on the second and fourth beats, then sprinkle hi-hats in between to drive the rhythm. Keep your loop short at first, 4 or 8 bars, so it's easy to tweak. If something feels off, move notes on the grid until the groove locks in. Try small variations every bar or two to keep it interesting, like an extra kick before the snare or a quick hi-hat roll. When you're happy with the drums, use Add Track again and choose virtual instruments to layer a melody or bass. Pick a piano or synth, then record or draw notes on the same grid. Aim for sounds that complement your drum kit rather than compete with it. That's the core workflow. Log in, go to your library, open a project, enter the studio, add tracks, choose an instrument or kit, and make music using the pads and grid. Build confidently by keeping things simple at first, then refine as you listen back. With these steps, you'll have a solid beat ready to arrange, share, or expand into a full song.